Namaste, friends. Today, let us see how to make a very warm and comforting food, which is much recommended by Ayurveda and my all time favorite dish, Khichadi. It is such a light and easy to digest meal that anybody who is suffering from fever or any sickness or while breaking any fast can also consume. It is the best food that can suit anybody. Even people with indigestion issues can consume because this will help to increase the digestive fire within us. Let us see the ingredients and procedure to make this. So I have taken equal quantities of the split green moong dal and hand pound sona masuri rice. I have rinsed them well and soaked them in water for 2 hours. Other ingredients required to make this recipe are the water to cook, turmeric powder, salt, curry leaves, ginger, coarsely ground cumin and black pepper powder, A2 cow ghee, and the vegetables of your choice. Let us see the procedure. First, take a vessel and add water to it. Once the water comes to boil, add the soaked rice and moong dal to it. The quantity of water taken is 3 times that of the rice and dal mixture and continue to cook in medium flame. But select a deeper vessel like this and not the one like I showed earlier so that all the contents will stay inside and cook well and the starch won't overflow outside. We will notice the foam rising during the process of cooking, so we need to remove the top layer of foam, which will help us to not have the symptoms of gas and bloating after consuming the food. After removing the foam, add the salt and turmeric powder as per your taste. Stir the content once and continue to cook in a medium flame in an open pot. Once the rice and dal are 50% cooked, then we will add the rest of the ingredients. That is few curry leaves, chopped ginger, crushed black pepper and cumin powder, asafoetida and the vegetables of your choice. Combine all the ingredients well and close the lid. Remember the flame is completely to the low. You may check after 5 minutes by opening the lid and just mix once again the whole content. And our khichdi is almost ready now. At this point, add the ghee from top. Mix the khichdi once and then close the lid completely and switch off the stove. You may season the khichdi with ghee and spices at the end as well for additional flavor and taste. Stir it well and close the lid. And you can now switch off the stove. That's it, our khichdi is ready to be served on plate. You may enjoy it along with some buttermilk or curry and pickle. You may also use even yellow moong dal instead of green moong dal and also use millets instead of rice. You may skip vegetables if sometime you don't feel like having them. So it's all up to your choice. I hope you all will make this simple yet nourishing, complete one pot meal and enjoy with your friends and family members. Thank you.